The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Have you lost money in stock markets? Are you unhappy with the results of your trades? Would you like to treat trading as a business? Are you confused with fundamentals or technicals? Are you looking for a reliable, non-directional trading system? The answer to any of the questions is yes, you are just at the right place. Learn non-directional trading strategies for consistent returns from all kinds of markets. No prediction of market at all. Yes, since there is no prediction, hence we don't require any technicals. Consistent returns in rising, falling or sideways markets. One of the best methods to generate significant passive income. Yes, you can do it with your job or business. No need to sit in front of the screen all the time. Learn from market expert with experience of more than 10 years in options trading. Learn a system which is based on market logic rather than any prediction. Learn a system which makes you free from any tips. Let's learn a system used by professional traders to make consistent returns. We conduct 2 days workshop. We also provide 1 month mentoring sessions, email support, and of course study material. You can join offline or online. Please contact at these numbers. You can also write to us at info@theoptionschool.in. For more details, please visit our website theoptionschool.in. Do not forget to subscribe, like or comment.